Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how to check in online in United Airlines app. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for, this is the keyword as you can see here, United Airlines app. Click the first website here. You will redirect it to this page. Just await from this page, click on check-in option. As you can see here, when you click on check-in option, you will redirect it to this page. When you click on check-in option, write your confirmation ticket. This is for the confirmation ticket. When you write your confirmation ticket, write your last name here. As you can see here, write your last name and then click on the search option. Click on the search. Basically, this is how you can do. Just write your confirmation ticket and then write your last name. After that, click search. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video.